In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut in Google Chrome. This is a simple yet powerful tool that can greatly enhance your browsing experience, making it quicker and easier to access your favorite websites. Let's start by creating a shortcut for any website directly from your Chrome browser. First, open your browser window and navigate to the website you want to create a shortcut for. Once you're on the page, look up at the address bar. To the left of the web address, you'll see a small icon that looks like a padlock or an information symbol, known as the View Site Information icon. Here's the trick. Click and hold down on this icon. With your mouse button still pressed, drag the icon onto your desktop, and just like that, you'll see a new shortcut displayed right on your desktop, ready for you to click and visit that website anytime you like. It's as simple as drag and drop, and now you've got a quick access shortcut to a website of your choosing. If your goal is to create a shortcut for your Google homepage, the process is equally straightforward and can even be more customizable. Start by heading to your Google homepage. Once there, look towards the bottom right of your screen. You might notice an option that says, Add Shortcut. If you're not seeing it, you might need to enable this feature. To do this, click on Customize Chrome, which is often indicated by an icon resembling a pencil or similar. In the menu that appears, scroll through the options available and look for the setting labeled Show Shortcuts. Make sure this is turned on. This should reveal the Add Shortcut option on your homepage. With this feature enabled, locate the ++ symbol down near the bottom. Click on this symbol and a small window will prompt you to enter details for your new shortcut. Here, you can give your shortcut a name, perhaps something simple and memorable like Google if that's where you're headed. And below that, enter the URL. Double-check your entries for accuracy, and when you're satisfied, click Done. This will create a neat and tidy shortcut directly on your Google homepage, making it instantly accessible with a single click. And that's all there is to it. You've learned to set up quick and handy shortcuts, both for individual websites on your desktop and for use directly in Google Chrome itself. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.